This is the Y-20 Kunpeng, China's largest military transport aircraft and a key step toward global reach. It can haul 66 tons of cargo, from main battle tanks to humanitarian aid, and cover over 7,800 kilometers without refueling. With room for 150 troops or heavy payloads, the Y-20 gives the PLA something it lacked for decades: strategic airlift. And it's modular, supporting roles from airborne refueling to command and control to medical evacuation. Big, flexible, and expanding fast, the Y-20 isn't just about moving cargo, it's about moving power.